What if I told you the greatest threat to our future in space is not aliens or asteroids, but our own garbage? A growing cloud of chaos is circling Earth unseen, unstoppable, and one collision could wipe out everything. Space debris, also called orbital junk, is any human-made object left in space that no longer works. It includes dead satellites, broken rocket parts, and even flakes of paint. These objects travel at over 25,000 kilometers per hour. At that speed, even a tiny screw can destroy a satellite. And right now, millions of these fragments are orbiting Earth. It all started in 1957 with the launch of Sputnik. Since then, space agencies have launched thousands of missions. But every launch leaves something behind. And no one was thinking about cleaning up. We turned space into a scrapyard. Today, we are tracking more than 130 million pieces of debris. And that number keeps growing. The biggest fear? The Kessler syndrome, a chain reaction of collisions. One crash creates more fragments, which hit more satellites, until space becomes too dangerous to use. A domino effect in the sky. In 2009, two satellites collided in space. A dead Russian one hit a working American satellite. Thousands of new debris pieces were born. If we lose more satellites, we lose critical services. No GPS, no phone networks, no weather updates. Even rescue operations would suffer. And the financial loss? Billions of dollars. But there's hope. Scientists are building tools to clean space. Space harpoons, lasers, robotic arms. New satellites are designed to fall back into Earth's atmosphere when their mission ends. Some even carry sails to slow them down. Countries are now working together because space doesn't belong to one nation. It belongs to all of us. If we don't manage debris now, we could lose access to space. For years, maybe forever. We need stronger rules, smarter designs, and global teamwork. Because this isn't just a scientist's problem. It's a human problem. Everything from our phones, to airplanes, to hospitals, depends on space. That's the current state of space debris. Fast, dangerous, and growing. If you enjoyed this breakdown, be sure to hit like, share it with someone curious, and subscribe for more space insights. Thanks for watching.